Hi everybody. Today is Tuesday, May 19th. Today you are going to work on your English journal again, numbers 3 and number 4. Yesterday you should have done number 3. Where are we at? Número 3, school party was yesterday, tarea de ayer. And hoy tenemos que hacer número 4. Dream house. It's the last, último tarea in my English journal, en este diario. Okay, so number 4, dream house. Think about your perfect dream house. What would you have in your house? What is one thing you have in your house now that you would also have in your dream house? Describe your dream house in your journal. Piensa en tu casa soñada perfecta. ¿Qué tendrías en tu casa? ¿Qué cosa tienes en tu casa ahora que también tendrías en la casa de tus sueños? Describe la casa de tus sueños en tu diario. So here we have examples. My dream house is big, small, an apartment, a farm, a bus. One thing I really want at my dream house is family, animals, and friends. Una cosa que quiero tener en mi casa es familia, animales, amigos, amigas. I want my dream house to be close to. Quiero que mi casa es acerca de the woods, the beach, the city, the mall, the mountains. One thing I have now that I want my dream house to have is a pool, a movie theater, a game room, an art room, and a library. All right. Escribe tu respuesta aquí. Haga clic 2 veces y escribe tu respuesta aquí. My dream house is. And then one thing I really want at my dream house is. Okay. If you already did that, si ya hice su tarea, solo necesitas hacer Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. Okay? Imagine Learning is here. Everybody have a good day, and I will see you on Thursday. We have a Zoom meeting on Thursday. All right, have a good day. Bye.